Missing someone with all your missing
Hello everyone and good morning. Actually, good afternoon. It's almost 11 o'clock. Hello everyone, my name is Taylor and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new here. Today I decided I'm just gonna film a little Sunday vlog because I'm stuck at home obviously, and this has kind of been the only day of me having a routine or some type of routine. Obviously I've been in isolation and quarantined for this will be week 4. Which is absolutely crazy. But since this is my 4th Sunday and I've kind of been doing the same thing, I decided I might as well film it and share with you guys what I've been doing. So as you saw, I just got up. I haven't really been setting my alarm, which I don't know if that's a bad thing, but I've actually been naturally waking up between 7:30, 8 o'clock and then thinking, why do I need to get up right now? I don't. And I just fall back to sleep till 9:30, 10. So this morning that same type of thing happened, but I did set an alarm for 9 because my church service starts at 10. So I just got up, I hopped in the shower to wash off the residue of my fake tan. I have been fake tanning every couple days just to feel better about myself and to try to just feel a little bit more alive, because if I'm looking in the mirror at my pasty white self, I just look sick. So I got up, did that, made a little breakfast. As you guys saw, I had my pumpernickel bread egg sandwich. So obviously my church service is online. It has been for the past 4 weeks. I'm pretty sure that's right. And every day that I've been isolated for however many days it's been, I haven't kept track. I've actually been either doing a workout, and I'm gonna maybe do an entire video on that about how I find workouts, how I create my own workouts at home, because I am actually not someone who enjoys home workouts, but now I kind of have to. And if I'm not doing a workout at home, I try to go for an hour and a half, maybe even 2-hour walk. And today I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do a home workout. I'm gonna either go for a hike or go for a long walk, because you gotta stay active. For the first couple of days I was not doing anything. Another thing I wanted to share really quickly, this is kind of random, but obviously if you guys saw my last video, I did get the iPad Pro and I've been playing around with this, and an app that I'm actually obsessed with, which I didn't think I would be, is called Happy Color. And it's literally color by number, and I have colored so many things and it takes up so much of my time, and I just throw on my blue light glasses and I stare at this for a while depending on how long it takes. It is a free app and it's honestly very enjoyable, and you can just choose from a bunch of different categories. So I thought I would suggest that if anyone has a tablet, and you can obviously do this on your iPhone. I just feel it's really easy with the pencil. So throughout the day I am going to share with you guys what I do to kind of keep busy, and I know that this isn't the time where we all have to be productive, but I have been trying my best not to get in a bad mental state, because that's what happens to me if I'm not trying to do something for myself every day. I'll just not be okay. So I actually am gonna throw a little bit of makeup on, because I've been doing that maybe every other day or every few days, just again to try to feel better about myself and feel more human, and I guess more normal, as we could say, because I don't necessarily need to put makeup on, but you know, it helps. It's a weird mental thing. Another thing that I wanted to share really quickly is that I have been watching the Jimmy Kimmel Live series that he's been doing at home, and oh my god, ups my spirits so much. So while I'm doing my makeup, I usually like to have this set up and just watch YouTube videos and kind of prolong the time it takes me to do my makeup, because it usually only takes me 15 minutes, but we have time. Okay, so I am basically all ready for the day. I just threw a little bit of makeup on, some SPF on my face, because I'm gonna try to go outside today. And some of you are probably thinking, why would you put on makeup if you're going for a hike or a walk? But it really just helps my mental state, because I have not been feeling that great lately. My hair is growing out like crazy. I literally feel like I'm gonna be a brunette by the end of this, and it's just gonna grow really long and I'm not gonna like it. But obviously that is not a huge problem It is what it is. A little tip though, you guys, don't let your eyebrows go crazy. I don't know about you guys, but I get my eyebrows threaded, and you might be someone who gets them waxed regularly. And obviously that can't happen right now. And I really don't like plucking my eyebrows, but I've been plucking them every day. Whenever I see a little hair come in, I'm like, nope, because I know once they get to that point, there's a point of no return. You're gonna have to go get them fixed. I've had that happen to me. I've had to like try to fix them when they're really grown out, and they're just not good. So keep up with your eyebrows, people. So I think I'm gonna go for a hike around like 1:30. I'm gonna try to eat lunch before then. I don't really know what I'm gonna eat for lunch. I've actually been skipping lunch, which is so bad. I should not be doing that, but like if I'm doing other things, I kind of just don't think about it. Another thing I wanted to talk about is like what sceneries I've been kind of putting myself in throughout this entire thing. And obviously I try to avoid my bed as much as I can. I lay in my bed. I mean, the latest I've laid in my bed till is probably like noon, which isn't good, and I try not to do that. But I have my bed, and so I also have like my little living room area, and I try to spend a lot of time over here instead of on my bed, which is over there. It just gives me a totally new scenery, and say like I'm FaceTiming friends, I'm sitting on my couch, because if I'm in my bed, I just want to go to bed. And if I'm not on my couch, I'm at my desk, and that's where I kind of try to do my homework. So usually what I do on the day-to-day that I guess is routine for me is I do a workout or go for a walk. Another thing that I suggest you do is FaceTime your friends and family. A couple of my friends and I like FaceTime for hours, and it's literally like a little party. It takes up time, and it kind of just brings joy into my life. It helps me like forget what's going on in the world, and having a little bit of a distraction and some laughter with friends and sometimes drinks, it's a lot of fun. So every day I have been checking my school email. If you guys don't know, I am in college, and it's all online now, obviously. And surprisingly, I haven't really gotten that much work to do. Like, I don't know what everybody's thinking or what everybody's doing, or if I'm missing something. But right now I'm not like on overload. I'm sure it's gonna come in a couple weeks, because I like literally just got back to school last week. I had 2 weeks of spring break, and now everything's online, obviously. So I like to get up and check my online classes. I do have a group project which I have to work on at some point this week, but I've kind of been avoiding that because, you know, I don't want to worry. I don't want any worries right now. So right now I'm gonna do some work on my computer if there is anything to do. If not, just gonna watch some YouTube, and then I will make lunch. So another thing I've been making lately a lot is English muffin pizzas. This is so random, but I've been craving pizza, and we have sauce and cheese and English muffins, so it works. Alright, so as you guys saw, I just ate my lunch. Not the healthiest thing, and honestly, that's the truth. I was honestly gonna make some special meal for this video, and I'm like, that's not realistic, because I've been like eating that a lot lately. I have obviously not gotten as much protein as I should be, but I am, this isn't a lie, I have been doing a workout or going for a walk every day, but I haven't been eating the greatest. I mean, the one good side of it is I haven't been like just constantly eating. My meals are not that great. Like my dinner is probably the best because my mom still makes dinner, bless her soul. But yeah, breakfast, classic egg sandwich, and then I kind of just eat a little something for lunch like I showed, English muffin pizza. Super basic, like no protein, which is bad, but we don't need to be perfect right now because life is not perfect right now. Right now I'm in my closet because I need to find a backpack because I'm going hiking and I want to pack snacks, which is another thing. Like, I haven't really been snacking like crazy, which if you know me, like, you know I love snacks. So I'm gonna empty out my little backpack, friends. If you know, you know. Alright everybody, hello. I just got back from my hike, had a few snacks while we were up there. I had fruit snacks and a Rice Krispie treat. Super healthy. There's actually so many people hiking, which is really nice to see, and there's so many people outside, especially on a day like today. Like, it's only 59 degrees out, but people are outside enjoying this because we haven't really had warm weather recently. But it's really great to see people outside and other people hiking. Obviously, while we were hiking, we did like the socially distance. If someone had to pass, we would move out of the way. Obviously, like, I don't want to go insane, so I have been like trying to go for walks, and a hike was good because you do see other people. Like, you're keeping your distance, but you have other people around you, which like we don't have that right now, obviously. So the rest of my day usually starts winding down around 3:34, and like not gonna lie, I start doing my little night routine. But since I did have lunch and I had a snack, I'm probably just gonna wait to eat until dinner. And then the rest of my night is kind of boring. As you can see, I'm on my couch right now. I try to spend as much time on here as I can before I hop into bed. I'll probably hop into bed around like 9:30, 10 o'clock. If you guys need any show recommendations, I have two, well, three. I have three. The first one is Schitt's Creek. That's on Netflix. Hilarious show. I didn't watch it while in quarantine, but we like just finished it before quarantine. The second one is called Last Chance U. It's kind of like Cheer. The show Cheer on Netflix, if you guys know what I'm talking about. It's real life, it's a docuseries, and it's so good. And like, I don't like watch football, but this is a football show and it's so good. I'm not even gonna really even touch on Tiger King because everybody's probably seen it and I did watch it. I liked that series, and now I'm watching Ozark, which I hopped on this train kind of late, but a new season just got released, so I think we're up to season 3. I just started season 2 and oh my gosh, it's insane. It kind of gives me anxiety. But it's a show, you know, just to pass the time, and I'm probably gonna start watching it now until I go to bed, which is kind of bad, but you know, I'll edit this video. Obviously, I did leave the house to go hiking and I hopped in my car, which I haven't done like ever, but I would love to film like a full all day in my house routine on like what that looks like during the week when I do have class. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. But for now, honestly, I'm just gonna eat my dinner in probably a couple hours, watch Ozark, and wind down my night. Sorry if this wasn't that interesting. You know, this is what YouTube is at the moment. I hope that everyone is staying safe and healthy during these times. If you guys want to subscribe, don't forget to hit that button down below, along with giving this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot. But I do hope you guys kind of enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna try to be uploading every week. I hope you guys have a great week and happy Sunday. Let's take on this week and crush it. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.